very first thing you need to see this button. It should be written gas, so you need to turn on this one. It should be on, the first step. Then you need to check this test box. Then you need to press this test. Okay, so it will reset the gas system. Then third step, you need to check this called like pressure valve. Okay, so make sure this should be up. You need to make a pressure by doing this clockwise and anti-clockwise. Hope you can see this one. You need to do this at least 5-6 times, and make sure when you leave this one it should be up. Okay, this was the third step. That's the fourth step. Now you need to turn on the gas. Okay, so for making sure this should be on, the first step, the second one, third, and the last, and the done. Thank you guys, see you again. And make sure to subscribe my channel for hope these kind of videos. I'll see you in next video.